Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mabel. Today I'll be showing us how I normally create my buttonhole using my manual sewing machine, my butterfly machine. If this is what you love to see, please watch till the end. And yes, I'll be using this shirt that I made, this shirt, to show us how I normally create my buttonholes, but I'll be using this material here for illustration purpose, and I'll be using a white thread so it's visible enough. And my thread, I normally double them. I have one there and I have another one at the down part. Doubling it gives it this different look and vibe, and it makes it comes out very clean. But for my main fabric, I'll be using a black thread. This part is very important. Please make sure your regulator stitch is on 15. That part here, 15. On the right side it says 15, and on the left side it says 12. Make sure it's on that 15. That is what will give you a neat stitch and a very beautiful buttonhole. So yes, I started off by creating a line, and then I extended it to the length of my buttonhole, and then I went in with like 0.25, and then I added another line, and I'll be stitching on those two white lines. But before then, please do not forget this part is very important. So I went ahead and then I started my stitch. I went down on this part, just going by two stitch works best for me. If you extend it to 3 stitch, sometimes it looks too wide, but that doesn't mean you cannot try it out. But 2 stitch gives it this different look and a beautiful buttonhole stitch. And then you keep on stitching on the same line you stitched at first. Please don't shift so you don't have a rough finishing. You can stitch for like 3 to 4 times. It depends on what you want to achieve. And after that, back stitch. After back stitching, please ensure that you return it back to that 15. And I went ahead to open it up. If you have a seam ripper, please use. And then after opening it up, I trimmed out the excess fabric that was there, and doubling the thread gives it this different vibe. And yes, this is what we have looking on nice and lovely. And so I'll go ahead into my main fabric, and then I used 0.75. The size of my button was 0.5, and then I extended my 2 lines because it was a black fabric. Please, this part is important. Always remember to put it here. And so I started stitching. This is my first stitch, and this part, like I said, just go in by 2 stitch and then turn and stitch to the other end where you started from. Raise it, stitch, do the same 2 stitch, just going by 2, and basically that is all you keep doing for like 3 to 4 times, and you would have a perfect finishing. After doing that, please back stitch, and after back stitching, always remember to return it back to that 15. And this is what we have looking nice and lovely. And then I use 2.5 inches for the spacings between one buttonhole to the other, and then I kept on marking my 2 lines because it was a black fabric, so I just wanted a clean finishing. So that was what I kept doing, just so this video is not long. Repeat the same thing all over again till you get. So at this point, I had to introduce my touch because I literally was not seeing what I was doing. And so yeah, this was the last stitch, and everything came out looking nice and lovely. I was so super happy with the outcome, and it's very neat, very strong at the same time. And so I went ahead to open it up. If you have a seam ripper, please use. And this is what we have. Very clean and very strong. Doubling the thread makes it stronger. So I'll go ahead and fix my buttons and show you the outcome. So yeah, this is how it came out. This is me bottling my shirt, and it came out looking very nice and lovely and very clean at the same time. This is it, very strong. And yes, please give it a try, and thank you so very much for watching to this very end. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.